So it is opening the browser and taking the first employee, it's uploading. The next employee picking all the missing documents and collect the missing documents from the employee folder and keeping it in the new folder. Then it should zip. See the zip file, and actually the folder is deleting for every employee. So it is every employee, it is taking the new one and deleting the basically. So we don't need. So once we taken all the missing documents in the another folder and zip that folder and submit the documents, we don't need that folder as well as the zip file further. That's why we are cleaning all the files. So 8th record is going on. And also once everything is submitted, all 10 documents is submitted, 10 employees, it is coming as a congratulations, no documents to submit. Then it will wait a few seconds and it will close the tab also. So we have to take care of the closing the tab and deleting the files. It is waiting the 10 seconds and it will close the tab as well. See, it's closed the tab, and if you see there is no folders or files, the zip files.